In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a category download purchase option. So to get started, we're going to go into the Selling tab and into the Purchase Options page. Within the Purchase Options page, we'll click Create New Purchase Option, and we'll select this option for category and individual image instant downloads. For a name for this purchase option, I'm just going to call it Category Instant Download. And I'm going to select Category Instant Download as the download type. The way that Category Instant Downloads work is that when your client purchases this option, they're going to be able to download all of the images within the category that they purchased this option from. So for example, if you shoot school photography and you've shot a whole bunch of different students and each student has their own category with a couple of different images in it, you can enable the Category Instant Download, and when your client purchases that, they'll be able to download all of the images for their individual student. Now for our download size, we have a couple of options. We can either choose web size or high resolution, which is your full size. So I'm going to go ahead and select high resolution or full size. I'm not going to have a sample image for this one. We're going to set the pricing through the pricing sheets, which I can show you in just a minute after we save this option. And then we can select to charge sales tax, to charge shipping, and to include a copyright release if we'd like. For a description, I'm just going to put here, download all of the images from the current category. And I'm going to save that option. Once the option's been saved, you can see it here in our list, Category Instant Download, and you can move it up or down the list to wherever you'd like it to be displayed to your clients. Now to add a price to this option, we're going to head into the Selling tab, and into the Prices, Shipping, Taxes, and then into the Pricing Sheets. Since all of my images are attached to the 2018 pricing sheet, I'm going to go ahead and click on this option. And then I'm going to scroll down, and I can find my new option here, Category Instant Download. I'm going to charge $39.99 for this one. I'll save the pricing, and as the page refreshes, you'll see that it's been added to my pricing sheet right here, Category Instant Download, $39.99. Now I'm going to go ahead and jump into one of my galleries so you can see what it looks like on the client end. Go into our Photos, Galleries, and I'm going to select to view it as a client. So as the page comes up, your client provides their email address and clicks View Event. If they click into a category, such as the Max category, they'll see the images within that category. And then if they add the item to their cart, they're going to see an option for Category Instant Download. They click the little information bubble and it'll say anything that you've put in there for the description, and they can add that item to their cart. Once it's been added to their cart, they can view their cart contents, check out, and then download the images from within that category. And that's how you set up your Category Instant Downloads. Shoot us an email at support@instaproofs.com if you have any questions.